Why the IGTV on Instagram is not showing up. Welcome back to a new guide video of One to Step everyone. If you're also wondering why the IGTV option is not showing up, in this video you're gonna know all about it. So make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. IGTV was previously available and it was replaced by Reels. Reels are short form video content, as you all know, and when the IGTV was removed from Instagram and Reels was replaced, Instagram separately added a separate application called IGTV on both Play Stores and the App Stores. Until 2022, you could download the IGTV application straight from the Play Store or the App Store. But however, now that also has been removed. So if you did not know about that, IGTV is now no longer available, not in the app of Instagram, nor it is also available as a separate application like it used to be. So that means, in conclusion, the IGTV now has been completely removed from the interface of Instagram or Meta. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.